Welcome back to the channel. Uncle Mark with you. How are you doing? I'm doing okay. Still working on this Impala that I've had forever, and there's so many things I got to get done to it. The wife says, get the thing out of here. So one thing we need, got the car, of course, it had one of these remotes for the doors, but it doesn't work. So I ordered a new one online, and I need to program it. So this is what you need to do. Make sure the batteries are in it. You turn the key to on. Then you're going to want to press your information center. It's a little car with the eye. And scroll through it till we get to press to relearn remote key. We're going to hit remote key. Then it says it's active. I believe we press the lock and the unlock button and hold them down until it beeps.
Do you want to go for a...
When beep, beep, just hang on, Mrs. M. And then we go okay. And I think we're good. So let's see. Lock, unlock. Cool. So that's all there is to it, basically. Sorry, it said, at the start I thought 15 seconds, 30 seconds, but 30 seconds to save yourself whatever they're going to charge you is a lot of money. Glad you joined us. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up. Now you can subscribe down here in the corner, and there'll be more of these videos. Well, trying to get rid of the Impala, so this might be the last one on this particular car. It's for sale now. Probably by the time you see it, it's gone. No, you don't want it anyway. There's all sorts of laws and rules to get it out of Manitoba here. You guys take care for now. Until next time, I'm going to say goodbye. Check out my playlist. There's playlists on this car. There's playlists on specific things, like let's say key program. I think this is the first one so far, but by the time you see this, there might be more. There's other things there too. Old cars do a little bit of stuff in the house, although not really my speciality. How's that for whatever language that was? Anyway, let's get going. You take care. Thanks for joining us for a few minutes here. Till next time, Uncle Mark saying bye-bye.
Remember to be safe. Your safety is your responsibility and should be priority number one. Also, if you like the video, why not give me the thumbs up? Plus, please subscribe. You can just ring the bell to get all notifications. It's easy. We'll show you how. Ring the bell. Ring the bell.
Hang on, Mrs. M, and then we go okay, and I think we're good. So let's see. And then we go okay. Trying to re-record stuff and just listen to all the noise. Everybody's doing yard work and that. It's like, now when I'm trying to do a video. Three, two, one. Yeah, let's try that again. Three, two, one, zero. Oh, I need two hands. Let's try one more time. 3, 2, 1. Three, two, one. Six, seven.